This is an overview look at the ES120 screwdriver that has been sent to me by eDesign, the group behind Miniware who made the much loved TS100 soldering iron. The unit comes in a nice box for transport along with the 2 included bits and the soft case. The unit uses a nice small screen similar to the one used in the TS100 soldering iron. The 2 included bits are a very small Phillips and a very small slot bit. These are the common 4mm hex style bits, so extra bits can be picked up at your local hardware store. The display normally shows the current battery level and the mode that the unit is in. By holding the button and rotating the tool in your hand, you can control the direction of rotation. In the A mode that the unit defaults to, the speed is controlled by the angle that you rotate your hand to, and the other modes include P, for which the torque is limited by the angle that you hold the unit at, which is great for preventing the stripping of smaller screws. And the other modes 1 to 4 set the rotation to a fixed speed, so the angle just sets direction only. The soft case included with the unit is a very snug fit for the screwdriver, which means you do need to remove the bit that is in there, and there are 6 bit holders around the edge that hold your bits nice and securely in the small case. The zipper seals the case up very neatly, and the case has padding in the sides to protect the unit from damage during transport. There are 2 sets of bits available for purchase with the screwdriver. The first of these includes a Phillips size 0 and 2, along with 3 sizes of slot drivers and a 1.5 and 2mm hex. Annoyingly, all of these kits come in 7 bits, so you'll need to select your favourite 6 to take with you in the soft case. The other set that is available contains a spare of the included Phillips 000, which is tiny, along with 4 sizes of Torx bits and 2 sizes of the Security 5-point star Torx bit. The nice assembly of the unit means that taking it apart is fairly easy. To remove the electronics, you have to unscrew the lock ring around the USB port and then remove 1 bolt. The metal of the enclosure is very nicely finished even on the inside where you don't normally have to look. The electronics is powered by a 104400 lithium cell and an STM32 to manage the entire system. 2 small pogo pins on the end of the circuit board connect to the motor. These are excellent choice as they are very vibration resistant and they do not leave you with any wires you can tear when disassembling the unit. Disassembling the motor assembly out of the unit requires you to unscrew the lock piece that's seen at the front of the unit. The motor assembly has these 2 small pins that prevent it from rotating inside of the case. Be careful not to lose the 2 small little pins. The motor assembly has 3 main components: a front section that has a lock mechanism so that when you're not driving under power, you can use the unit just as a plain handle. The middle section is a small 144:1 planetary gearbox, and at the back is a small brushed motor to drive the unit. The battery life has been excellent, lasting at least a full day, usually 2 to 3 days of use. Overall, the ES120 has excellent build quality and feels very sturdy to use in the hand. I've used the unit for a few rebuilds of quadcopters now and have not had any issues at all running the unit.